In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana throughout the day. We'll start on the Asana homepage, your command center for what needs attention right now. From the left sidebar, open My Tasks. This is where your personal work lives, and keeping it tidy is the key to staying focused. Switch to the list view for a clean, scannable outline of everything on your plate. At the top of the list, you can add a task. Give it a clear, action-oriented title, set a realistic due date, and add any helpful context in the description. If it's yours to do, make sure it's assigned to you. The more specific you are here, the less you'll have to think later. Next, look at the recently assigned section. This is the inbox for new work. Triage each item as soon as you see it. If something is urgent or tied to today's deadline, move it into due today. If it's important but not immediate, place it in due later. Think of this as right-sizing your day. You're balancing what must happen now with what can wait. Keep these sections current so your focus list stays short and achievable. If you prefer a more visual layout, switch to the board view. You'll see your tasks as cards and columns that mirror your sections, making it easy to spot bottlenecks and drag work forward as it progresses. Then open Calendar to see your tasks on a timeline. This is perfect for checking workload at a glance, confirming that due dates make sense, and catching conflicts. If a day looks overloaded, shift a date before it becomes a problem. Next, check Dashboard to keep a pulse on how things are trending. Use the charts and summaries to spot overdue items or gaps in planning. For a broader perspective beyond your personal list, head to Reporting for Cross-Project Insights that show where time and tasks are accumulating. It's a great way to identify patterns and remove friction before it slows you down. Open Portfolios to track groups of related projects in one place. Here you can review status, owners, and timelines side by side, which helps you prioritize your own tasks with context. Finally, visit Goals to connect your daily work to bigger objectives. Confirm that what's in due today advances the outcomes that matter most, and adjust if it doesn't. Throughout the day, capture new tasks as they come in, keep list and calendar aligned, and give recently assigned a quick sweep so nothing lingers. With this simple flow, Asana becomes your reliable guide from morning planning to end-of-day wrap-up.